Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. I just got home from work and I'm super excited. What? This is just not working. My friend Rikki has agreed to let me do her hair. She has wavy hair, but very nice. This is Rikki, and this is her 2A waves right now that we are going to style and see where we can get it. She's not trusting me, but it's gonna be great.
It's okay. I do trust her. I promise.
So we started off by clarifying and conditioning Rikki's hair. I went in with this Diva Curl Build-Up Buster Clarifier. To clarify just means to cleanse the hair really well of all of the buildup and impurities. And then I followed that up with Bounce Curls Cream Conditioner. This is a very moisturizing conditioner because moisturized hair is key to hair that styles well. After washing, I just had Rikki plop in a cotton t-shirt. This step is optional because we are styling the hair after the shower. However, I just needed to transfer her downstairs without her hair dripping all over the place. Also, please excuse our setup for making dinner. It was nighttime when we were recording this and we had to start making dinner or we were never gonna eat. Alright, here's the fun part. At least for me, because I got to do it. I started out by just parting and sectioning Rikki's hair. I have a spray bottle so that I can wet down the parts that have already started drying. I really want the hair to be somewhere between damp and dripping wet when I apply the products. Product number 1 that I am applying is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's one of my personal favorite products and it also has protein in it, which the Bounce Curl Cream Conditioner does not. So I wanted to make sure that our styling products had protein because protein gives that nice bounce and shine. I always comb out the section of hair that I am going to be applying product to before I actually apply the product because the more evenly the strands are sitting, the more evenly the product is going to go on. What you see me doing here is rubbing the product into my hand and then I use what's called the praying hands application method to apply the product where I just take her hair in between both of my hands and slide my hands down the hair strand. From here, I did finger coil her hair. If you want a little bit more in-depth tutorial and explanation of finger coiling, I will link a video down below where I explain how I do it all. And then the last step for this product is to squish the hair up, starting to get that curl pattern back. So the last product that we're going to use is the Orange Marmalade Flaxseed and Aloe Curl Definer. This is my favorite mid-range gel. It's not too light. You will still get a cast that you have to scrunch out after drying. However, it's not too heavy either so that it won't weigh down wavy hair. Alright, the last step that I did here is rub the gel in between my hands and then I use praying hands again to coat the gel over the curl clumps. I just do this a little bit more gently this time because I don't want to disrupt the curl clumps that I have made. And then I go ahead and scrunch again. Now this is where the magic happens. You want to scrunch enough so that you are hearing an audible squishing sound. That is how you know that the products are actually penetrating into the hair instead of just sitting on top of the hair. So I went ahead and diffused Rikki's hair for about 15 or 20 minutes. I hover diffused over the roots mainly so that that would accelerate drying, and then the rest of it was left to air dry for the rest of the night. It air dried for probably about 3 or 4 hours. And then the next morning she came back over for us to scrunch out the crunch from the gel cast and see the results. Alright guys, this is the final result.
I love it.
I love it too.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I mean, goodness.
So, I'm going to show you all the different sides. We did style her hair with a middle part because that's how her hair naturally wants to fall. But then after it was styled and dried like that, we flipped it over to a side part so that she can wear it how she normally wears it. So if you guys liked this video, if this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do you see how I'm standing on my tiptoes? This is like, this is what I have to do.
Here, I'll be you down here.
So, as I pretend to be a tall person and she just laughs at me, I'll see you guys next time.
Yep.
Adios.
Bye.